Once you have a sheet metal part started, the same button can be used to create a tab. The tab feature is used to add material with the same thickness and direction as an existing sheet metal face. To create a tab, simply begin a sketch on an existing sheet metal face and create a profile. With the profile completed, I'll exit the sketch and click the tab icon. So, I'll simply click the green check and the tab is complete. If you need to make any changes later on, you can click the tab feature in the Feature Manager tree.